Hello friends, this is your girl Josy. Welcome to my channel. On this channel, I do a lot of cash staffing, savings challenges, budgeting. I'm paying off my student loan, which super excited about it because I'm doing a lot of changes about my student loan. So I can't wait to share with you guys. So for today, we're going to cast staff the 100 envelope savings challenge that I'm doing it in a low income. We are doing multiplication. We did addition some time back. It went very well. But the multiplication is kind of hard a little bit, which I kind of understand because I didn't know that's how it was going to be. We were just trying new stuff for the 100 envelope savings challenge because I know some people have it sitting down, they haven't opened it because they are scared to do the 100 envelope savings challenge. I'm here to tell you that don't be. There are so many ways that you can do the 100 envelope savings challenge. So this is my savings challenge. I have it in my shop. It comes with an empty tracker so that in case you want to do it in a different way, you can. Then it also comes with a regular 100 tracker. At the end of the day, if you save every money in there, you're going to get 5,050. But there's so many ways that you can do this. I hope everybody's doing very well. So let's go ahead and count the money. Then we will go ahead and put it in. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's $12. I have a $2 here, which is not very common. So that will be 14. Then I have 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 20. So that will make it $34. I'm doing math. Then I have $30. So that will make it 64. Then I have 20. So that will make it $80. So that's what we're going to cast out the 100 envelope savings challenge with $84. So the way I'm doing the 100 envelope savings challenge, for those of you who are new, we are doing multiplication. It means that the double digit, we have to multiply. Let me move this a little bit so that you guys can see the flower. So it means that if you have 10, you do 1 times 0, that will be 0. So I didn't put anything here. But if I have 11, I do 1 times 1, that's 1, so I put $1. So instead of $11, I put 1. But when it gets to the bigger numbers, it's kind of like expensive, or it's kind of hard a little bit. Like today, I'm doing 73, 74, and 75. So 73 times, no, 7 times 3 will give me 21. So I'm going to put 21 here. Then 74. So 7 times 4 will give us 28. So I'm putting 28 here. Then I have 75, which is 7 times 5. That would give us 35. That's 25. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So that'll make it 35. Okay, so that's what we did today. 73, 74, 75, but we did multiply. So that makes it like a low income, because instead of 75, I put in 35. So if you are doing it that way, you kind of like not stressing yourself a lot. The money will not be the same as saving 5,050, but you kind of save something, right? So that's the whole idea, for you to be in motivation of saving. That's the whole idea. So this is how far I am. I'm hoping to get this done by the end of June. Then we're going to do, by the end of this month, May, then we're going to do a big giveaway, which I've been wanting to do since last month. So that's what I'm planning to do. I'm going to do live, like the way I did it for the audition. Then I'm going to give out about 5 to 6 gifts that I will give out. So I can't wait to share that with you guys. So if you haven't put on the notification, please do so, and subscribe so that you don't miss all that fun videos coming up, giveaways, and a lot of stuff coming up. So I did 73, 74, 75. Then I'll also record it on my empty tracker here. Get a pen. So we did 21, 28, 35. I can't wait to get this done. My goal is the end of the month, and I can't wait. See how cool this is. Is it not beautiful? Beautiful. Yeah, almost done. We have about 6 sleeves that we're gonna do. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope everybody is doing very well. I really appreciate everybody coming. My new subscribers, thank you. My OG, you guys know I love you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Go and be grateful. Bye bye bye.